My mentor said, the questions you ask yourself will determine the course of your destiny. And it's true. Kung nasaan ka man ngayon sa buhay mo, dahil yan sa mga tanong na itinatanong mo sa sarili mo. For example, if you are in a very low moment in your life, you're facing a lot of challenges and struggles, you are sacrificing, and yet you are not getting the results that you want, ano itatanong mo sa sarili mo?
Deserve ko ba? Kaya ko ba?
Bakit sa akin nangyayari to? And it can be a turning point or your breaking point. And if you are in a moment of success, let's just say may na-achieve ang goal, na-achieve mo yung pangarap mo, what do you ask yourself? Maybe, do I really deserve this? Kaya ko ba itong i-sustain? Kaya ko bang bayaran yung sports car ko? Kaya ko bang i-sustain tong bahay na to? Kaya ko bang panindigan yung success? Kaya ko bang panindigan yung pagiging sikat? Kaya ko ba? And those questions will determine the next steps that you will do, the next choices, and your decisions.